O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. All of you, please open your eyes. Okay. We are going to the textbook exercise. Okay. So please take a textbook. Part 1, page number 17, 1717. Textbook, part 1, page number 1717. I'm sharing the screen also. You can see the same page on the screen. And please be mute. I will call out the name and tell me the answer. So let me share the screen. The same page I will share on the screen also. Okay, the same page. Angel Mary, you got it? The same page? Yes. So will you unmute? Angel Mary, please unmute, my dear.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, now you please listen here. Okay, we have question. Train my brain. This one. Complete the following patterns. Angel Mary, can you read the pattern? Can you read the pattern? First one.
square,
Ah,
circle,
very good.
square,
Ah,
circle,
ah.
square,
So what will come next?
circle,
Very good, very good. So all of you please draw circle. Then what about the next?
square.
Very good, good girl. So you understood the pattern. So here we can see it's here we use two basic shapes. The basic shapes are square, circle, square, circle, square, and we have to fill with the circle and square. Good, good. So all of you please complete it. Now Adon, please unmute and read the second one. B. Please read the second one.
Triangle, circle, rectangle,
Ah.
triangle, circle.
So what will come next? Look at the pattern once again. Triangle, circle, rectangle. Triangle, circle.
Rectangle.
Very good. Okay. Then what about the next? Again starting. So what will come? Triangle. Good boy. Now all of you please complete it. So here we can see three basic shapes. Triangle, circle, rectangle. Triangle, circle, rectangle, triangle. Vaikardhan, please unmute and tell me the next one. Question C.
Square, rectangle, square, rectangle.
So what is the next one?
Square, rectangle.
Very good, very good. So all of you please draw square, a rectangle. So here we can see the basic shapes used square and rectangle. So square, rectangle, square, rectangle, square, rectangle.
Good morning.
Morning. Those who joined late, please take page number 1717 in the textbook part 1. The first one we can see, complete the following pattern. First one, A. Those who join late, please listen. Square, circle, square, circle, square. So we have to fill the next two shapes. So it will come circle, and square. Second one, triangle, circle, rectangle, triangle, circle. So we have to fill the next two shapes. That is rectangle and triangle. And C, square, rectangle, square, rectangle. The next two shapes are square, rectangle. Shall we move to page number 18?
Yes.
Yes. Page number 18. And here example 3. Tick the picture that comes next in these patterns. You can see some pictures in the textbook and we have to find out the next one. It's already given the options. From that we have to find out. Okay. And the first one, Ayush, please read. Ayush. First one. Apple. Ayush, please read. Can you see the fruits? Unmute and read. Okay.
Apple, mango, orange, apple, mango, orange.
So what is the next picture? What shape will come? Which food will come next?
Apple.
Very good. So it's already done there. So no need to do again. Okay. It's already done there. Now we can move to the next one. And don't please unmute. And look at the next one. You can see elephant and zebra. So please read the pattern and tell me what will come next.
Apple,
Ah.
zebra.
Ah.
Apple,
Ah.
zebra.
Ah.
Apple.
What will come next? You can see two options, elephant and zebra. So which will come?
Apple.
So where we have to put tick mark? Where we have to put tick mark? Ah, see, very good. I heard. Very good, Andoni. So all of you please put tick mark for zebra. Orville, please unmute. Orville, please unmute and read the next one. Orville, please unmute and read the next one. We have Orville, please read the next one. You can see a pencil. Okay. Then the next one, brush, a pair of scissors. What is the next one? See. Yes. Let us read once again. Pencil, painting brush, a piece of scissors, a pair of scissors. Pencil, painting brush, a pair of scissors. Again, you can see pencil. So what will come next? Is it a pencil or painting brush or pair of scissors? Which will come? Brush. So we can put tick mark for brush. So all of you please put tick mark for brush. Namaste, please unmute and read the next one. You can see different butterflies. Okay.
Orange butterfly.
Okay.
Blue butterfly.
Yes.
Purple butterfly.
Yes.
Orange butterfly. Blue butterfly.
Yes.
And purple butterfly.
So here we can see orange butterfly, blue. What is the next color? Is it violet?
No.
Which color?
Orange.
No, I am asking. First one orange, second one green, third one
Purple.
purple. Okay, then orange, green, purple. So what will come next?
Orange.
Orange. Very good. So please put tick mark for orange.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. So if you have completed, you can take page number 1919. Page number 1919. Shall we start? Page number 19. Here we have example 4. Circle the figure that it does not belong to each of the patterns given. Once again, I will read. Circle the figure that it does not belong to each of the patterns given. Okay. Now one is done for you. So who will read the first one? Nakshatra, please unmute and read the first one. First one, A.
A.
Read the pattern. Circle.
Circle, square, circle,
Ah.
square, circle, square, circle, square.
See, circle, square, circle, square, circle. What's the next one?
Circle, square, circle, square.
Is it a square or rectangle?
Rectangle.
It's a rectangle. Circle, square. In this pattern, one shape is not belongs to that group. Which is that, Nakshatra?
Rectangle.
Rectangle, very good. So that rectangle only circled here. So no need to do again. It's already done there. Now we can move to question number B. Amreen, please unmute.
Star, cone, star, triangle, star, triangle. Idana techu. Cone.
Okay. Nakshatra, pencil reading. Okay, Nakshatra. Nakshatra, okay. Here we can see.
Triangle, star.
Okay, Amreen, read. Others, please. Good. Amreen, please read the second one. B. Star.
Star, triangle, star,
Upside down triangle.
upside down triangle,
Uh,
star,
uh.
triangle, star, triangle.
So which shape is not belongs to that group?
Upside down.
So we can circle the fourth figure, that is upside down triangle. Okay, good. Now question C. Abel, please unmute and read the pattern.
Arrow.
Arrow, it is an arrow, but it's colored at the top pink color and down it is white color. Okay, pink color, white color, pink color, white color.
White.
Huh.
Pink, white
Huh.
color.
Huh.
Pink, white color.
Huh.
Pink, white color.
Huh.
Pink, white color.
Huh.
White color, pink
Huh.
color.
Huh.
Pink color, white color.
So which one is not belongs to that group?
White color.
White color at the top, pink color at down.
Yes.
Yes. That picture is, or that shapes, that image is not belongs to that group. Okay, Abel. Now we can move to question D. Gauri Krishna, please unmute. Read question number D. You can see flowers. What's the color of the first one?
Blue flower, orange flower, yellow flower, orange flower, blue flower, orange, blue flower, orange.
So which one is not belongs to that pattern?
Blue, orange, yellow, blue.
Which flower is not belongs to that pattern?
Blue, orange.
Unmute and tell me, Gauri. Which one is not belongs to that group?
Blue flower, orange flower, yellow flower, blue flower, orange flower, blue flower, orange flower, yellow flower,
I am asking.
blue flower,
I'm
yellow flower,
asking which one is not belongs to that group, Gauri. Which flower is not belongs to that group? Gauri, which flower is not belongs to that group?
ഏതാ ഇതിൽ ബിലോങ് ചെയ്യാത്തത്? നോക്കി പറ കളർ നോക്കി പറ.
Which flower is not belongs to that group? You can see blue color flower, orange color flower. Yellow. Okay. So we can circle the yellow color flower. Okay, Gauri. So all of you please color the yellow color flower.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. Welcome. Now please take page number 21. Page number 21. Page number 21. Are you ready? With the page number 21, shall we start? Yes, there are. Okay, now here we have example 5. Complete the given patterns. Here we can see the number pattern. Now the first one, A. It's given 10. Yes, my dear. Who is calling, ma'am? Please tell me.
Mine not finished.
You didn't finish. You want to see the last one? Okay, you please complete it. Shall we move to page number 21?
Yes.
Yes. Everyone completed. Shall we move?
Yes.
Yes. So page number 21. Mohammed Iksan, please unmute. Mohammed Iksan, please unmute and read the first one. Complete the number. Complete the given pattern. First one, A. Please read the pattern.
10.
10.
After that,
12.
eh?
20.
Ah.
30.
It's dash, but it is written there. 40.
40.
50. What will call?
50.
Very good. Then it's dash. So it is written there. The answer 60, 60. Then we have
60.
70, 70. Okay, it's already written there. So no need to write again. Okay, we can move to question B. Mohammed Iksan, please read the B. Question B again. Read question number B. Which is the first number? 2. Read, Mohammed Iksan. Please unmute. I can't hear. Please unmute. Okay, now you can read. Please read. 2.
2, 4, 6, 8.
So what will come next? See, 1, 2, 3, 4,
9.
5, 6.
10.
Listen here. 7, 8,
10.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It will go like that. Mahmoud Hassan, listen here. See, here we can see 2, 4. First number is 2. Okay. Second number 4. Third number 6. Then the next number 8. Okay. So here we can see we took alternate
Eight.
numbers. See, 1 is not there. 2, 3 is not there. 4, 5 is not there. 6, 7 is not there. 8. So 9 is not there. So what will come next number?
10.
10. Okay, so here we can write the number 10. Now, 11 is not there.
No.
So 12, it is written there. 13 is not there. What will come next?
12.
What is the next number? After 12, we have to write 14. 14. 1, 4, 14. So all of you please write 1, 4, 14. Here we took alternate numbers. That means 1 we didn't take. We took it
Okay.
2, starting with the 2. 3 is not there. 4. 5 is not there. 6. 7 is not there. 8. 9 is not there. 10. 11 is not there. 12. 13 is not there. 14.
Today, Dikyo.
Elaine, please unmute and look at the question number C. Please read the pattern. Question C.
40,
Uh,
30,
uh, uh.
Finish, ma'am. 11,
14, 13, 12. Then it is dash. It's a backward counting. Okay. Backward counting. So 14, 13, 12. What will come next, Elaine? 11. So we can write the number 11 here. Then we have, what about the next? We have
9.
10 is already there. Then we have next number is dash. What will come? 9. So we can write the number 9. Then we have 8. So here we can see the backward counting. That means 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. It will go like that. Elaine, can you count from 20 to 1 as backward counting? Backward counting, Elaine. Starting from 20, 20.
9, 18,
17.
19,
Uh, uh,
20,
uh,
30,
uh,
12,
uh,
7,
uh.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good. Sarah Batul, please count backward from 20 to 1. 20.
20,
19.
20,
Uh,
19,
uh,
18,
uh,
17,
16.
16, 15,
14.
14, 12,
13.
13, 12,
11.
11,
10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2,
4,
1.
2, 1. Very good. Now, Viyavinu, please count backward from 20 to 1. 20,
70,
20,
80,
no, 19,
20, 90,
uh,
19,
uh,
18,
uh,
17,
16,
16,
uh,
15,
very good.
14,
13,
13, 12, 11,
okay. Then
10,
10, continue.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
4, 3,
3,
2.
2, 1.
Okay, very good, very good. Now please take a page number 22. Page number 22. Here we have to use the crayons. Before that, see it's written here, no? You know that tigers and zebras have stripes on their bodies. Leopards and giraffes have patches on their bodies. Can you find more animals with the patterns? Can you name some other animals having patterns or patches on their bodies?
Giraffe.
Ah, giraffe. Okay, then.
Giraffe.
Yeah.
Tiger.
Ah, good, good, very good, very good. Okay, good.
Tiger.
Okay. Now we can move to next one. Drill time. Concepts 2.1 patterns in surroundings. Okay, here we have observe these patterns. Color the pictures to complete them. Now, Isatino, where are you? Look at the first one, A. Please read the pattern A. Isa? Okay, Krishna. Okay, Isa, please unmute and read the first one. A.
Red,
You can
green,
see
red,
different colors of
green,
rockets.
red, green,
Unmute,
red,
unmute, unmute.
red,
Ah,
green,
ah.
red,
Once again, start from the beginning. Start from the beginning. Start from the beginning.
red,
Ah,
green,
ah,
red,
ah,
green,
ah.
red,
So what is the next color?
green,
What about the next one?
red,
What about the next one?
green.
Okay, good. So all of you please give the color. Then I let me ask you one more. Now let me ask another one. Then you can do by yourself. Daksh, what about the B, Daksh? Daksh, please read B. You can see butterfly. Okay, please read butterfly also.
Purple,
Ah,
orange,
is it orange or yellow?
yellow,
Ah,
purple,
ah.
yellow,
So what will come next?
purple,
Yes. What about the next? What about the next? After purple,
yellow,
we have yellow. Then the last one.
purple,
Okay. Now both you have to do now. Okay. One after the other. Please color it.
purple.
Ah, okay. Okay. Do it. Do it. We have enough time. No need to go fast. Take time and do it slowly.
Ma'am, complete.
What about the butterfly?
Complete.
Okay, okay, good. So we can wait for others, let them complete. Okay. Then if you want to move to the next page, you can do, no problem. But be quiet, okay? Let them complete.
Ma'am, I have complete.
Okay, good, good. We can wait for others. Let them complete. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, 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 okay. Good. Very good. If you have completed, you could please move to page number 23. You try. You can see others, no C and D and all that you can try. Those who have completed, you can try C and D.
ma'am, this I have complete. Ma'am,
Yes, yes, Srinidhi.
this page
No, 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 no. Page number 23. What about page number 23?
complete.
23 also completed.
Yes.
No, no, no. What about C and D? C and D completed. Srinidhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So C and D also we can complete. Okay, after the class also C and D, up to C and D. Then the remaining we will discuss in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.